It's been a while since gumawa ako ng unboxing video. I just decided to do this unboxing because this is one of the very products na paboritong ko. This is Xiaomi Mijia Vacuum Cleaner 2. Ito yung wired. I prefer the wired one instead of the unwired rechargeable vacuum. Reason for this kasi parang I'm thinking kapag non-wired, mai-istorbo lang ako na i-charge siya kapag while cleaning. Ayoko meron disturbance while cleaning. So, I got this from Lazada for 1,892. While I'm editing this video, it comes to my thought na gumawa ng video ng mga Xiaomi product na meron kami. We have so many Xiaomi product at home. I think this is the 5th one. So, ayan, let's open this up and that's Stephen's hand. Fast forward na lang natin para mabilis. So, ayan na. It's almost open. So, this is the Xiaomi Mijia Vacuum Cleaner 2. This is the wired one. I prefer the wired one kasi ayoko yung habang naglilinis ka, may istorbo ka or ma-distract ka dahil or may stop yung paglilinis mo dahil na-lowbat siya. So, here it is. This is the whole package. This is the warranty card and the user manual na hindi maintindihan, which is because it's in Chinese, I think. And ito yung mga kasama niyang accessories. I won't be providing a description on each one of them since this will just be an unboxing video. Ayan, ito may brush. All the accessories are detachable. So, I'll just fast forward this again while I'm opening up or unwrapping each individual accessories included on this vacuum cleaner. Overall, I'm rating it 9 out of 10. Ang malakas ang suction and I like how you can easily remove the dirt or maidaling itapon yung mga na-vacuum mo. So you can just pull it out and then yan, diretso tapon na sa trash bin. And that's it for this video. Bye!
Bye!